Oh. Now what's the name of this lake right here? Davy Crockett Lake. The Davy Crockett Park. Here in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Say hi to everybody on the video, Darlene. I almost lost a finger feeding a duck out here. Yep. Back up that way. They got boats that you can rent. Very, very cool. Big, beautiful trees. It's nice being able to be back here after 7 years. I think we've been here maybe once or twice since then. It's a beautiful area when the trees are in full foliage. Absolutely gorgeous. Brownie, what you thinking, boy? He says he wants to go eat a catfish. Okay. All right. Brownie's going to investigate these trees over here. No, not in these shoes. So I can attest, the bugs are officially out. I've got little gnats flying all around me. There's a big old bird. What kind of bird is that, Darlene? Do you know? Over to the right, in the sky. Look up to the right. Those buzzards? Oh. Looking for the geese. Are they?
Shell Creek. Over here.
That's what?
Shell Creek.
Shell Creek?
Shoal. S-O-A-L.
Oh my word, these bugs! Ah! I'm under attack. Why? The heck? Note to self, don't put on cologne before you come outside. Huh? That's insane. Once I think they're gone, they're not. They keep attacking me. Okay, that's shoal, S-H-O-A-L? That would make sense. Hey, Brownie, look, buddy. Look at that pretty creek, boy. Woo! There's nothing prettier than Mother Nature. And nothing more annoying. Actually, there's something more annoying than bugs swarming around you. I don't know what it is. Ah! It's the oddest thing. They just keep flying on my ears. I didn't know this was over here. Ooh, this is slick in here, darling. Yeah. Not with these strong dogs. I wouldn't go any further. Oh.